Hi, I'm Neil Lenning, a developer here at PPO. In this video, we're going to create a calculated key metric that shows the total cost overrun across our projects. This type of metric is useful for management dashboards because it immediately highlights whether actual spending is above or below budget. For this example, we'll add the widget to the management dashboard tab we created earlier in this series. So we'll go to our management dashboard tab, click on edit, click on add widget, we'll choose our key metric, and we'll ensure that we select the cost entity and click on add. I'll save it in the state. And then we'll configure our key metric. I'm going to change it to calculated. And I'm going to select currency since we're working with cost. Now for currency, we can set the amount of decimal places. I'm going to keep that at 2. And we can change the currency symbol, for instance, to rand. We're going to call this total cost overrun. And for this one, I'm going to set a conditional color. But my condition should be a green if it's less than 0 and red if it is more than 0. And now we can build our formula. From our math toolbox, I'm going to choose the arithmetic block. I'm going to change this to subtract. I know I'm going to take the sum of one value minus the sum of another value, and it's going to be the sum of spent minus the sum of your budget. And if this is a negative value, you know you have some budget left, and if it's a positive value, we know we've overrun on our costs. I'm going to click on save, and now we can see that this is green. The key metric will now display the total cost overrun across all included cost records. If spending exceeds budget, the metric will display in red. If spending is still under budget, it will display in green. This example demonstrates how calculated key metrics can combine aggregation, arithmetic, formatting, and conditional coloring to create highly effective financial dashboard indicators. Using visual indicators like this makes it much easier for management teams to monitor overall project financial health at a glance. Thanks for watching.